Give a very big hand of our very who have come and are very safely. Wave to them. That is the best you can give to them. Just away with the big smile. Hallelujah. You're welcome, Museveni and Mama and family.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, do you take Mama Janet again to be your beloved wife? Will you continue to love her? Will you continue to comfort her? Will you continue to honor her? And continue to protect her? And will you continue to forsake all other women and remain faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Mama Janet, do you take General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni again to be your beloved husband? Will you continue to love him? Will you continue to comfort him? Will you continue to honor him and continue to protect him? And will you continue to forsake all other men and remain faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Lord, we stood before you 10 years ago and renewed our marriage vows after 40 years. We are now again standing before you and before the congregation to renew the marriage vows and confirm our covenant with each other and with you. May you strengthen our covenant bond and give us more grace for us to complete our leadership task. Help us to be a good example to the people you have given us to lead.
This is done by authority given to me by God, the Church, and the civils of the government of the Republic of Uganda, that what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. And now, in expression of this affection, I request them to give each other a holy hand. In Jesus' name.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.